Ebusuafo enkra asadwe yensa aka yede ebesomo etrese yes of penny awoda Anointed Palace Chapel anomeche Reverend Obofour ene ne TV channel wota di nedwumedie ewo ese asori yo woda ne dinense se Ghanafo obi atimi hwe bi ne wiasa fane ne obi atimi ne ni eboso hwe metre Cash TV ene aban adwumeku a yeyi wo mosi wo se ba no se radio stations awodo TV stations awodo wo mo enhwe na chese wonsem nia wo mo empenka no ene dey abetodwa se wo mo akọ na so yo akoto TV station ene wo pe Cash TV ahye ewo we fidie so TV so a wonya na wa hwesan se wo mo atumu na ni aka edwumedi a na wotwi mu NCA no National Communications Authority wo mo di esi wo menu eso a Agradaa na wo mo sha se no mo di fi wo ba konfo ba show girl ba o chese wo de ekom lifestyle me kire konfo ba Agradaa wo mo de sha se fi wono no channel wono na sadwe abedu purpose still say aka Reverend Obofour so de any 49 other TV channels. Now, according to NTA, no, the name so MMO SIC and it say TV stations are would you know. Just say one more to so more close to one down. No, one more TV stations are would marry. I shemu ache. I remove akweche. I will say TV station. We will say also TV now. Also, such channels are. We will say. Womu so de adwumedie ewo TV so na so se eto a sefata se womu entua emfa ema National Communications Authority na che se womu adwumedie a womu di na ban sa womu bi no womu ntua sa ato no ena che se womu operate free na che se free ya na dem na womu edi di adwumente no ena womu so akoye adwumeku aban de ahwo msa so womu nyeto na biem so womu re se ye media no bibia be koso wano nti womu tena se ye nhwemu no womu se sa amanfo no womu se mfata se womu wa ye digital platforms no eso ninti ena woma akọ close it down womo channel so ko sise sika se mie wechire wo metimi aba abonten abeka ho asema na asempo wo metimi ade another document be chere se ade de woma sakromaju a edwumedi o medi no woma ma National Communication Authority esa etimi abemu ansana se womo channels awodo no ye bia ma wo bi ma ye bie na ebusafo release National Communication Authority womo de betu dwa no womo de to amansan ni ma chire mu de ntie ba ne sa no enu ne mu amkwan na menkinkan bi enfa enche mo chira say any headline womo ede eto so NCA shutting down 49 illegally operating TV stations. Accra, 21st April 2021. The National Communications Authority, NCA, has embraced as an exercise to shut down 49 television stations for operating without authorization. This forms part of a continuous monitoring exercise conducted on various satellite free-to-air television platforms using the broadcast monitoring system and the radio spectrum monitoring system. The monitoring revealed that some channels were operating without valid authorization, contrary to Section 2(4) of the Electronic Communication Act 775 of 2008, which states that, except as provided by this act or any other law not inconsistent with this act, a person shall not operate a broadcasting system or provide a broadcasting service without a frequency authorization by the authority. As a result, 49 channels have been identified to be operating without valid authorization from the authority and is being shut down accordingly. Below is a list of the TV stations who have been identified to be in violation and are due to be shut down. Not just a woman TV stations no list eba in the no so the ebre wo mu pa anti enkan ne kakra Dove TV yes, so fire can see TV station one more atum NTV North Television Limited Tender TV no yet woba confog ba Agradaa de no so one more atum Power TV atum Prime Power Multimedia for edie Maranatha TV Afodai Multimedia for edie one more atum MTA Al Shakal to Islamia Limited for Edia Chief TV, Pastor Chief, Chief Television Network, or no so dear no, Yaka Atum, Case TV, and no TV2 networks, almost so dear no, Yakatum, Sagani TV, Mr. Alhaji Razak Idrisu, DBA, Media so Yaka Atum, Ojaba TV, Emmanuel Boache, Yedatum, Nazareth TV, no so Victor Hilgan, so dear, one so Yatum, CACI TV, woman so dear Yatum, Ahuto Swo TV, Yatum, BOC TV, Yatum, OK TV, Yatum, Cash TV, and no Reverend Obofour dear Yatum, Lion TV, Yatum, Akwesi Ewa TV, Yatum, NO TV, Apple TV, CBN TV, Eja Kofabai TV, Next TV, Face TV, Paradise TV, SBN International as a Part TV, Ice TV, Ezra TV, Truth TV, Royal Star TV, Virgin TV, Days TV, Sewa TV, Ion TV, A1 TV, Abapa TV, Asempa TV, BTV, Kwekubonsam TV, Asumdue TV, TV Magic, Channel 45, Perfect TV, Enima TV, Obofour TV. No, they say and the dinner yasesa Elijah TV Plus and also Yaka Atum, TV Universe, Yaka Atum, Opianto TV, Anytime TV nya Yaka Atum, Obofour TV Plus and also Yaka Atum. Na the woman de chat and 7 year emune said. This exercise is being done in conjunction with the Ghana Police Service and the National Security Intelligence Operative. The NCA will continue monitoring to ensure that the use of spectrum is done in efficient manner. We also take the opportunity to caution all license and authorization holders to ensure that their license and authorization are always up to date and in compliance with the stated terms and condition. I don't know, NCA penny power down, no, and it was inside Kratai as a net is able to afford. TV channels are who draw me boarding, GDF4, TV channels are so for womb, I confirm womb, just say, and yes, I got a woman near a woman chat that. And now say TV license a separate time woman chia et no nam so amasabre and say so to me 200 more I want to back to na as to why sabre we and adwumade we e koso ne and as I show na kodu say person we there we live to see Ghana ha na yete enchiremu bia bebe chire e ba so a yen so ye de beso mu ntina say kai bra ne ye saka ye na amunu aba na ama owusu a me de abramo mumo de anam subscribe to your channel no na bia mu share video we on all social media platforms. But more than a follow to my JH, what Instagram, Twitter, so at to my JH _ Facebook at to my JH _ Midi Edina ama Unswa Makramnia.